Are you having problems with the Ingress Timeout error on Instagram? Well, then you have come to the right video, because I'm going to show you exactly how to fix this, but make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. So the first thing I'm going to do is to come to my Instagram app and then come to my profile right here, as you can see. And now when you're on your profile, then what you need to do first is to click on the three lines in the top right corner. So click on the three lines. And then you should be taken to this page right here. In here, I'm just going to simply click where it says settings. So click on settings in here. And now I'm just going to scroll down until I can see where it says help. So click on help in here. And in here, we actually need to click where it says report a problem. And then once again, click on report a problem. And we can click where it says include and continue in here. The reason why we want to come to this page right here is to we need to report this problem to Instagram so that they can actually fix this for our account. And what I need to do now is to write something like this to Instagram. I am having issues with the Ingress Timeout error on my Instagram account. I need this to be fixed because this really annoys my Instagram user experience. So you can write something like this. I am having issues with the Ingress Timeout error on my Instagram account. I need this to be fixed because this really annoys my Instagram user experience. I'm just going to correct this one. So because this really annoys my Instagram user experience. And now when you're done, just click on send in the top right corner. And it will take about 1 week for this to work, because I did this and after a week this actually got fixed for my account at least. So if it got fixed for my account, then I hope that it will get fixed for yours as well. So yeah, basically this is exactly how to do so. So let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also please leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel, because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be very useful to you. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you an awesome day.